Though many ideas were put forward to recover Titanic's wreck, few realized at the time that she lay over 12,000 feet below the surface, or 2.3 miles. It wasn't until September 1st, 1985, that a Franco-American expedition led by Jean-Louis Michel, whoever that is, and Robert Ballard, oh I know him, succeeded. The team discovered that Titanic had in fact split apart, contrary to the prevailing belief at the time that she had sunk in one piece. The separated bow and stern sections lie about 1/3 of a mile, or 0.54 kilometers apart, off the coast of Newfoundland. Both sections struck the seabed at high speed, causing the bow to crumple but remain mostly intact, and the stern to collapse entirely. The two sections are surrounded by a massive debris field containing hundreds of thousands of items, such as pieces of the ship, furniture, dinnerware, and personal items. The debris field was also the final resting place of many of Titanic's victims. Most of the bodies and clothes were consumed by sea creatures and bacteria, leaving pairs of shoes and boots as the only sign that bodies once lay there. God, that's creepy. Since her discovery, the wreck has been revisited on numerous occasions, and thousands of items have been retrieved for conservation and public display. The story of Titanic has been remembered as a tragic tale, particularly because the ship was considered unsinkable. At least until it got vibe-checked by a mountain-sized piece of ice with a god complex. Titanic has inspired fiction and monuments, and been the subject of documentaries and movies. She continues to be a lesson in safety practices, careful maritime navigation, and most importantly, weight distribution. Cause we all know Jack could have fit on that door. I mean, really!